Oh.
You could have resold it for $200. Gone.
Oh. Oh.
Show them what we're looking for.
Let's
John.
show them what we're not gonna find. We're not gonna find this, that's for sure. So get a good look, cause we're not gonna see those.
I hope he gets a gut pack, and then he won't complain ever again.
This is probably the most expensive card we're gonna see this whole time opening this shit. Let me get my fingerprints all over it. There we go. Alright, and then you get energies. Whoa, oh my god. None of us played the game, let's be honest here. Get out of the shot, Joe.
Beautiful.
We get dice and stuff. Is that 9 packs? That's 9 packs.
Thought it was 7.
Wait, this thing... Oh, it does show 9.
Oh.
I can count. Oh, I forgot. It's
Alright.
Ooh.
a trainer. Okay.
Wait for it.
Heatran. Oh, Pokeball Hollow.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Alright. Sleeve that baby.
Does that Iron Boulder have anything?
Alright. Alright. No Pokeball Hollow. No secret art rare. Palucha. A Whimsicott. A Professor.
Oh!
Oh, Executor. Finding Mochi. Wait, Pokeball Jolteon.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Ooh, Smash. Next question. Roaring Moon. A spec, which
That might
really
be something. Or no, I don't know.
don't go for much. Wait, yeah, this is 8. Yeah. Friends in Paldea. That felt good. No Pokeball. Nah. No Pokeball Hollow. Right, bug catching thing. Fucking.
Is it just immediate hits? Is that how we know it's contact, right?
A Houndour Pokeball. Okay, the moment I haven't been waiting for because it's nothing.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.